Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble the WE M1911 gas blowback pistol. First, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take out your mag. Then, as you can see on the slide, right about there's a little indent. You pull it back all the way to there, so that it looks like that. Then you want to push. That little thing until it comes out on this side. Then you want to simply remove it. Then your slide will come off, and then you have the lower part of the gun right here, which you can't really disassemble much more unless you want to use screwdrivers. But from here you can lube your gun and do anything you need, but I'll go into further detail. You then can take out the recoil spring. Then from right in here, there's this little tube you have to slide out. Then all you have is your barrel, which does not come out like my M93R. What you first want to do is take this little front piece, rotate it so that it's like that, and you want to remove it, and it will look like that. Then you simply slide the barrel right out. You can adjust your hop up on the hop up wheel located right there. Okay, so your pieces now are just basically the slide, the barrel, recoil spring, this little tube, and this piece. So now what you want to do is you first want to put your barrel back in by basically doing just the exact opposite. So you would push this all the way back, and it will stick out a little bit here. Then you want to put this in at about that much of an angle and simply rotate it down. Okay, then you want to put this tube back in. Okay, then you want to simply put your recoil spring back in the slide like this. You want to put the spring in the little tube, in this tube, the piece that goes right here. Okay, so that's where you're going to want to put it. Alright, now you then take this, like I said, you stick the spring in there, push it forward till it pushes back like this. Then all you do is line that up with this. You can see that. Okay. And then you line it up like that. You return the slide to this position. Then you simply put it back in. Move up. Okay, like that. The slide will go forward. Put your gun in, mag in, my bad. And that's about it. So thanks for watching, guys. See you later.